The leadership development program is designed to enable the mid-management team or the mid-leadership team to focus on how to achieve two important objectives of our organization. And what are these two objectives? One is customer delight, number two is employee delight. Now, this mid-leadership level, being the bridge between the customer and the employees, is the target audience to undergo this exciting program, which we have co-designed with the ICFAI Business School. And this will help achieve our objectives which are laid out in front of us. Now, the premise of this program is to transform this middle level leadership into the future business leaders of Intelley Group. Now, keeping this in mind, we have worked upon developing a program which will impart to them all worldly issues which are technically very, very intriguing, methodically very simple, and completely leadership based. So this is the end objective of how this course program has been co-designed. Now, once this basic platform is laid out, the associates enter into what is called a business leadership program. Business leadership program is an advanced learning and is to equip our associates to drive growth by strategizing on key accounts and other upcoming accounts, and driving growth by technology and people leadership. Business leadership, the course content of the business leadership is definitely on the brochure which is given to you. But at a very high level, the objectives will be leadership, will be how to do a sales and development strategy, how to mine accounts, and how to technologically advance the complete resource pool, associate pool, which is there with the leadership team. So with that, the combination of these two, we hope to achieve our objective of employee first and customer wins. Thank you so much.